In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Dear learners, good morning. I hope you all will be all right. Miss Nawar Shaheen here, teaching Block 1, English Department with a new lecture. Dear girls, today I'll tell you something about letter. So before we proceed, I'll tell you about letter. First of all, what is actually letter? So, dear learners, letter is a means of communication. Means letter is a source of communication. Means letter is a source to talk to each other or to communicate to each other that contains a text message which can be handwritten, typed, or printed. Means letter is a source of communication with each other that is a text message which can be handwritten or which can be typed or which can be printed. It is sent by someone to another through email or through post, through mail, through post, so as to inform, complain, report, inquire, and request something. Means letter is a source to communicate to each other and through a text message which can be a handwritten, which can be typed or printed, and it can be sent through mail, it can be sent through post, and why it is sent to inform a complaint, means to write a letter to any department or any institution to complain against someone, and to report something means to tell something or to inquire or to request something. Next, now the question arises that how many kinds of letters are, so what are the types of letters are. So as you know that we in our daily routine we write some official letters and we write some letters to our relatives, to our friends. So let's see that how many kinds or how many types of letters are. So as far as the types of letters are concerned, broadly speaking, there are two types of letters, namely informal letters and formal letters. Now, what is informal letter and what is formal letter? So, dear learners, first of all, informal letter. Informal letters are those letters which we write to any person whom we know personally, such as friends, parents, siblings, relatives, neighbors, etc. All these people are those people which we know personally, as compared to an officer, as compared to the editor of a newspaper, as compared to the manager of the company. We know these people, means friends, parents, siblings, relatives, and neighbors. We know these people personally, as far as or in comparison with the officer of any department. There is no prescribed format of writing informal letters. Means there is no prescribed format of writing informal letters. Informal letters can be written in a casual way, in a routine way with informal language. So the next is, here are some points which we have to remember while writing informal letter. These are some do's and don'ts while writing informal letter. So contractions and abbreviations. Contractions and abbreviations. Abbreviations mean short form of writing something, as you write instead of because, you will write cause. Cause, COZ, cause is in. informal way, or when you are talking to your friend, you don't use a formal language which show the respect and highly difficult language, or a ambiguous language, or other very humble language. Okay, so uh, these these letters can be written in a friendly way. So contractions and abbreviations can be used only in informal letter. Then exclamation mark can be used to express joy and shock, because with parents, while writing to friends, we can show our shock or express our joy by using the exclamation mark. Colloquial terms or a slang can be used, means we can uh, write mm, s- some ordinary words, or some slang like stupid or rascal, oh rascal, such type of things. Even though we don't go with such type of words in our writing, even to write to our parents, or to our sorry, to our friends, even where we are so frank, even then we don't use such type of slangs, but it can be the part of the informal letter. And as far as the date pattern is concerned, then we can write it like this: May 4 comma 2020, instead of 4th, then May 5th, the number of the month, and 2020. So this is the correct pattern: May 4 2021, to write the informal letter. So these are very easy points which I am sharing with you, dear learners. And if you find these things even difficult, then you can talk to me regarding this. The next is that what is the format of the letter? So I have shared two formats over here, and they are quite easy. And I think I will share another pattern on WhatsApp instead of these two. So first of all, we will write our address, and this is definitely not our address. Your address, then date. Date is, again, you can write March 18, 2021, or you can also write 18 March 2021. So you can go with both of them. Then the greetings. Then you will write the name of your friend if you are going with your friend. If you are writing to your friend, then you can write down his name or her name. And after that, the body of the letter. And I think here you will write the proper paragraphs, I think 3 paragraphs. And then yours sincerely, and you will write your name, and you will put your signature. And here is another pattern of writing informal letter, and that is again your address with pin code of the country. Then 21st April 2020. And then means right date of writing the letter, and you can go with this pattern and the pattern which I told you as well. And then dear Rahul mean the person you are going to write. If you are writing to your father, if you are writing to your uncle, you can also write over here dear father, dear uncle, such type of. And then you will start the letter with this line: I hope you will be fine, or you will find this letter in a good health, and you will be glad to know that. And after that, you will come towards the purpose of the letter. And this purpose of the letter will be written, or can be written in 3 paragraphs. First of all, you can write in brief about the purpose of the writing, and then you can write in detail about the purpose, and then the concluding lines. And after that, with best wishes or a pay salam to all at home, and just like that. And at the end, with love. Here you can also write best wishes or a with love, and yours affectionately. and after that you will put your name or your signature over there. So that's all for now, dear learners, and I hope I have tried my best to make the things or make the concept easy for you. So I hope it would be quite clear to you. Even then, if you are having any question, you may ask from me. And till the next lecture, Allah Hafiz, stay blessed.